Anti-aging facial moisturizer. When we use anti-aging products on the skin, what it does to the skin is that it helps to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to boost the collagen production. Some anti-aging moisturizer also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. So in this video, I am going to share one of my own personal anti-aging moisturizer recipe. This is a DIY. However, I'm using vital ingredients that are known to boost the collagen, reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, and I'm using one special ingredient in this, which is also going to help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that's going to transform your skin and take your skin from dull, rough, wrinkle looking skin to a more radiant, glowing skin naturally, this recipe is for you. So do not.
Our first ingredient is sweet almond oil. And almond oil contains vitamin C. It is good for puffy under eyes. It helps to improve complexion. It helps to treat dry skin. It also helps to improve acne. It helps to reverse sun damaged skin. And it helps to reduce the appearance of scars, spots, and blemishes on the skin. It is also very hydrating to the skin. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the sweet almond oil, adding this to our bowl, and moving on to the next ingredient, which is vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine will hydrate the skin, soften the skin, and also reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Vegetable glycerine also acts as a preservative in your homemade skincare DIY, preventing bacteria from forming fast. I'm going to use a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine, adding this to the bowl with my sweet almond oil. And now I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. Here I have aloe vera gel. We're using store-bought. Make sure it is at least 95% aloe vera gel. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, pouring this in, making sure to get out everything from the spoon. And once this is done, we are going to mix all 3 ingredients together, and we're going to mix well. Completely dissolve the aloe vera gel in the vegetable glycerine and sweet almond oil. Now, if you do not have vegetable glycerine, you can go ahead and use some honey instead. So once this is done mixing, we're going to move on to our next ingredient. And here I have some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to hydrate the skin, good for dry skin, keep the skin soft and supple once used on a regular. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. You really do not need a lot in this recipe. No vitamin E oil, you can always leave it out. Now moving on to my next oil, and this is a special oil. This is a perfect anti-aging oil known as marula oil. Marula oil will help to get rid of wrinkles, boosts collagen, reduce puffiness under the eyes. It will also help to get rid of scars on the skin, hydrates the skin, and leave the skin looking younger and fresher. I'm going to use a teaspoon of my special marula oil, adding this to the bowl with the rest of the ingredient. And now I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix well, totally blending all the amazing oils and vegetable glycerine together. And take a look at it. This is how it's going to look, more of a serumy consistency. Now reaching for my final ingredient, which is vitamin C. And here I have a 500 mcg vitamin C tablet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to melt this tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and pour 1 tablespoon of cold water on the tablet. And you can choose to set this aside for it to melt, or you can simply take your spoon or fork and just crush it in the water. Make sure that it completely dissolves in the water. Now, once our vitamin C is completely dissolved in our water, what we're going to do, we are going to pour it in our oil mixture. Now, if you want to make this stronger, you can go ahead and use 2 of the vitamin C instead of 1. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Another thing that you can do with this is to just pour it in the blender and blend. If you do this, it's going to be more on the creamier side. However, today I'm just going to mix, and I'm going to mix well. Now, this moisturizer is the base. If you're looking to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles and fine lines, you can go ahead and add some vitamin A, or you can add some cacao oil or even some rosehip oil to this mixture. You can choose to use vitamin C powder if you do not have any vitamin C tablet. Okay, so just make it your own. Now, once this is done, I'm going to reach for a small jar and I'm going to pour this in. If you have like a spray bottle or a bottle with a pump, you can also pour this amazing facial moisturizer in it for storing. Now, use this on your skin, preferably at night, since vitamin C tend to react to sunlight. So wash your face, apply your facial toner, and take about 3 drops of this amazing moisturizer and massage it on your skin. You want to massage it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And this is good to use every day on the skin, every night if you so choose. You can also choose to dip a little bit of this in your regular moisturizer and use it on your skin. Whatever you do, go ahead and use it up. Once you use on a regular, you will notice that your wrinkles start diminishing and you're going to find that your skin is looking much clearer and brighter. This is how this works, but give it time to work on the skin. Now, when this is done, go ahead and make a new batch. Now, this can be stored on the countertop. However, if you want a longer shelf life, you can keep it in the refrigerator. It can be in your refrigerator for up to 6 weeks or so. So go ahead, use up this amazing moisturizer and give it a chance to work on your skin.